This bookmaking workshop is brought to you by Lloyd Luna Productions.
If you have a dream of writing a book, bookmaking workshop or BMW is the best place for you to start. In 2005, I wrote my first book. Rejection after rejection, I was unable to publish my book. All publishing houses said no to my manuscript, and it hurt really so bad. I felt bad, but it didn't really bother me at all, and in fact, it didn't stop my resolve to publish my first book. I know how hard or difficult it is to be able to do things on your own, from printing process to editing process to making graphics designs and layouts. I'm saying this because now we have a system to help you out. Probably in the Philippines, this is the only bookmaking workshop you can attend really without having to think about how you're going to navigate your own path to be able to publish your first book. I know how it feels when you have that particular dream, content, substance, experience, or lesson that you simply wanted to put in a book, but somehow, for some reason or excuses, you are unable to do it.
Masaya, maraming kwentuhan, maraming kulitan, and you would feel talaga some sort of camaraderie, kumbaga, doon sa proseso ng paggagawa ng libro na to.
I really love the place. I think this is a really good idea. Rather than a closed room na pupunta ka sa isang seminar, yung nasa type na nasa room lang kayo. Pero ito, I think this is the best way to help people conceptualize thoughts. May kapayapaan, meron kang peace of mind.
It feels like you are on your way, a step closer to writing your own book, but you're just like playing. That's the best part of it. I never have imagined that we will be like playing and eventually we will be publishing or having our own book.
Hindi lang nabuo yung libro, nabuo pa yung sarili namin because it's a moment to relax, refresh ourselves, enjoy it. Kaya mas madaling gumawa ng libro, mas madaling gumawa sa mga idea namin.
It's not merely just on how to write a book, but it's how to love writing and how to accomplish writing and basically start publishing your book.
So nung una, medyo kinakabahan ako na paano ko kayo ilo-launch yung book ko. So nung narinig ko yung story niya, na-inspire ako na kumbaga, kailangan mo simulan mo, hindi mo kailangan sobrang ganda ng book mo. Kumbaga, kailangan mo magsimula ka.
Most people who attended this workshop are aspiring authors as well, and their testimony really blessed me a lot and really create a very strong desire to really pursue this dream that I wanted, which is to have my own book.
Very engaging, very productive and creative. So it opened a wider opportunity for me to see how bookmaking could be a very creative enterprise.
Yung team natin, napakahusay kasi nagkaroon ng contribution, some sort of a mastermind group in which everybody contributed their own ideas as well. Doon sa ideas na meron ka, it's more like collaboration. And since you're collaborating, there could be a lot of things na may alam sila na hindi mo naman pala alam. At yung alam nila, pag in-integrate mo sa alam mo, lalong mas masaya.
invite you to spend the next 2 days in one of our future workshops here in Calatagan, Batangas. And let's do something. Let's do something so that you'll be able to finally let those ideas out in forms of books, which can turn into seminars, workshops, and trainings for you.
I hope that you could join this bookmaking workshop by Lloyd Luna.
Right now, I'm inviting future authors like you and aspiring authors like you to be part of this BMW workshop.
Ini-encourage ko ang lahat na umattend kayo sa mga susunod na workshop, which is really helpful talaga.
The place is good. The workshop is good. The learning, the knowledge is good. And the guy teaching it is a good-looking guy. Yes, that's really part of it. Thank you very much.
Attend this and you do not need any more seminars because it is the only one that would matter.